Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Workfront for project management. Alright, so first is we're gonna head to their website, which is thebusiness.adobe.com. You can search that on your Google or Safari. And then from here, you can tap on this Workfront and you will see this overview. You can watch their overview if you want to explore the features and watch the video on how they use it. So in here you can plan, assign, and execute work from one place. So this is just like the Jira, the Notion, and all that. So you can build a marketing system of record by centralizing and integrating work across teams and applications with the industry leading enterprise marketing work management application. So if you want to watch it, you just have to tap on this one so you can watch the overview. So now you can scroll down further to explore the features and capabilities of Adobe Workfront. This is your marketing system of record. So here, there is a streamlined enterprise planning. So one place to plan campaigns. You can create and launch briefs and orchestrate work. Workfront connects one fragmented planning data so it can be structured to derive meaningful project insights and visualizations. So you can also learn about Workfront planning. You just have to tap on this one. And here is the centralized work. So here's you can connect teams and tools. So Workfront is your single collaborative system that lets you break down silos and manage all work across the organization. So here, there's also an automation. You can automate workflows. So the streamline execution and accelerate time to market by eliminating manual work, standardizing processes, and connecting workflows. So here are the workflows. You can actually drag and drop these. So here are the features. You can customize project templates that standardize execution and automate repeatable work and all those. There's also review and approve, so you can accelerate reviews and approvals. So you can also help your team easily collaborate across projects and applications with automated review and approval capabilities with AI-assisted brand checks and cross-team access to projects and details and resources. So here are the features of that. You can deliver on time, on budget, and on brand work with digital proofing and automated multi-stage approval workflows. So here, as you can see, there is a complete and progress. So you can adjust that based on the status of your project or work. So there is also measure and report, so you can measure and report insights. So this will be shown inside of the dashboard to see the status of your tasks. So here's the completed task, the overdue tasks. So it will show you the percentage of the completion status, which is very helpful, especially when you're working with teams. So plan and track enterprise projects. You can gain visibility into capacity. You can also ensure alignment to business objectives, monitor insights and results, and you can also support data-driven decision making. So these are the features. You can make informed decisions and gather insights by building effective dashboards with user-friendly visual tools. You can add, edit, and manage the types of report widgets that you want to add to the dashboard so to quickly build datasets. You can also export your waterfront data into data lakes or other business intelligence or BI tools. So here are so you can helping some world's biggest companies build a marketing system of record. So here are the company that uses the Adobe Workfront. So they saved $2 million by streamlining workflows. So it really helped their company. So you can also tap on go over here, which is the learn more about Workfront. So there's a guide if you want a starter guide to collaborative work management, you can tap on guide, you can tap on that. Doesn't work in my region, but yeah. So just have to tap on these. There's also more resources. You can unlock more with Adobe integrations. So there's also frequently asked questions in here. So every time you tap on these, you will have answers. So what is Workfront? So Adobe Workfront is a cloud-based work management solution that helps teams and organizations plan, track, and manage their work efficiently. So it is designed to streamline project management, task collaboration, resource management, and portfolio management across various teams and departments. So we also have one question right here. We have the how do you build a marketing system of record? So in a world of growing content demands and fragmented data, you need to think strategically about your operations. So Workfront helps you lay the groundwork for centralized management of your entire marketing lifestyle, so leading to comprehensive visibility, robust project management, valuable insights, and the orchestration of campaigns at scale. So we also have what is workflow automation? So workflow automation is a business process that uses software to automate repetitive tasks like email communication, data entry, and software updates to increase work productivity and efficiencies. So what does Adobe Workfront integrate with? So Workfront includes native integrations with today's top enterprise tools and systems, including Adobe Experience Manager, so your team can continue to work with focus, efficiency, and productivity. And last second to the last one is how does Adobe's project management software help your business? So Workfront offers robust project management software capabilities, allowing managers to view team capacity, allocate resources to projects and tasks, and balance workloads across teams or individuals. It also provides tools for resource scheduling, capacity planning, and skill-based resource allocations. And for the last one, we have how does Workfront help with cross-team collaboration? So Workfront help cross-team collaboration by enabling efficiencies through every stage of a project and simplifying review and approval cycles. So you can also tap on here if you want to reach out to them. You can tap on the contact us. Now if you scroll up, you can see their pricing. They have plans, but since it doesn't work in my country, it says that this site is unavailable. But in yours, it will be shown in there. So you just have to tap on the pricing and all that. So there's also features. You can have planning, like these. You can also see all the integrations. You can use cases, they can scale project management, collaborate cross-functionality, centralize project management for agencies. They can also execute campaign planning. So for the pricing, there is a competitive comparison. You can compare all the plans or all the subscriptions to see which of the plan has more features to the Workfront and which can help you in your business. So you can also tap on get started if you want to get started. So there's product. You can tap on home. And if you want to sign in, just have to tap on sign in, then tap on Workfront, and it will redirect you to another page, and you can log from there. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!